Hi students, all right. Yesterday I read a story. I felt, it is really relating all of us. Let's see what the story says. Have you any time heard about the word leaf cutter ant? Oh yeah, leaf cutter ant. This particular ant is found in the African forest systems. So what actually is a leaf cutter ant? Let's see. So this leaf cutter ant, first of all, once it decides a target, or if it decides this is what you have to do, first there'll be a small group discussion among everybody. What does ant speak, ma'am? Do they speak really? Yes. Yes, it seems. So this particular leaf cutter ant all will form a group in a community. They start their journey from their particular stay. Gradually they walk and walk and walk. They walk onto a big or a huge tree, and what they do is they plant such like with perfection that each and every ant follows the ant which is behind. All will walk slowly on to the branches of the trees. Once they reach the top of the branch or top of the tree, their work starts there. What do? They start using their stink, which God has given them in the form of a sharp stink. They start cutting the leaves. Students, every ant which is following that, everybody, the whole community which has got up onto the tree, starts cutting the tree, the branches, the leaves rather, not the branches, the leaves. So each ant is going to cut each and every leaf into the small pieces. And you know what they do? Once all the ants finish cutting the leaves into small bits of pieces rather, pieces of leaves, everybody with the same community, with the same target, everybody starts walking or carrying that particular piece of or leaf. you know and it seems it carries 1.5 times the load of its original body weight. It's going to carry 1.5 times. Means suppose if I take that leaf, I feel it is 600 pounds weight in my tongue. Okay, so what it does, it gradually carries that leaf, the pieces of leaf, which is 1.5 times heavier than its body. Everybody follow it in the same line. They get down the particular branch, gradually walk into the community. They stack their leaves one after the other. You all know what is stacked. एक के ऊपर डालना. After that, stacking of leaves is done. Important thing to remember here is they don't even eat the leaf. Though they are leaf, though they are ants, they don't eat the leaf. That is the clarity they have. They gradually get the leaf, they stack one above the other. After stacking one above the other, the whole community comes down, they stack the leaves. As I said, they immediately turn the leaf pieces into manure. What is compost manure, you know, right? So what they're going to do, they're going to add their poop to that particular leaf. So once they add the poop to the particular leaf, it gradually starts decaying. Once it starts decaying, it converts into the organic manure. Wow, just see the way they have got the leaf, they've stacked the leaves sequentially, they've added their poop, converting into organic manure. Once it is converted into manure, they wait and wait for those leaves to get converted to what, it gets converted into a fungus tycoon. The whole area what they have stacked the leaves are going to get converted. Means on the surface of the leaf, because they have added their poop, the surface of the leaf gets converted into fungal growth, fungal community. The fungal community is where the target or the particular work is complete. Now what is this fungal community used for? The fungus, whatever grows on the surface of the leaf, is used by them for their food. It is used for the babies which grow, the babies, they give the birth to the babies, it is used as a food for them. It is used for them, for the particular nest or the particular place. The fungus tycoon protects all the ant community. How do they do this? They have done this only with one particular word, that is persistence. Persistence is the only word which they have learned. Students, what are we going to learn from this? I have learned one important word, that never ever convert your persistence into your stubbornness. You have to be persistent in your studies. You have to be persistent in your goals. Never let the persistence get converted to stubbornness. And lastly, never ever your passion get converted into ignorance. Once I have a passion, never convert it to ignorance. The moment you convert your persistence into stubbornness, your passion into ignorance, we are that's the end. So remember, always passion and perfection, these two things. Remember the and then you will always come up in life. Be yourself, students. Thank you so much.